changing the world with technology, Bill Gates. With this quote, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all my dear students to computer science class. I hope you and your family are doing well. I am Lakshmi Priya. I am working in St. Charles PU College, and I will be handling your computer science classes during this academic year. Welcome to a wonderful year full of learning. Enjoy each day and know that you are surrounded by our support. Try your best in everything you do. Stay positive, have fun, and keep smiling. You will do great. Today, I would like to tell you about the syllabus of first PUC Computer Science. Here we have 17 chapters in computer science, and the first chapter is overview of computer. The second is input, output and memory devices. These two chapters are theory chapters. Next chapter is data representation. Data representation, you have few problems. Software concepts. Software concepts is again a theory chapter. Problem solving methodology. Here you will have steps how to solve a problem. Object oriented concepts. Object oriented concepts, you have various concepts related to object oriented programming language. Introduction to C++, basics of C++ you will be learning here, and all the chapters after this, that is still structures are related to C++, and these are practical oriented chapters. That is from data types, input output operators, control statements, arrays, function, user defined function and structures. All are practical oriented chapters. Next we have word processing and spreadsheet. These two chapters comes under MS Office. You will be learning few programs related to MS Excel and web designing. Web designing is related to HTML language, that is hypertext markup language. Here you have two programs related to HTML programming. Distribution of marks, that is for theory you will be having 70 marks and practicals 30 marks. Total marks for computer science is 100 marks. So 70 marks will be theory and 30 marks will be practicals. Under practicals you have C++, MS Excel and HTML. The prescribed textbook for this year that has been given by the government of Karnataka. You can refer this book, but the notes will be given during the class. The list of stationery items needed for the computer class, that is you need 200 pages long book for writing the theory and 100 pages observation book for writing the practical programs and 200 pages record book for writing the programs, practical programs. Once you write the programs in the observation book, then you can copy it in the record book. So coming to the subject, what is computer? We have studied about computer, we have heard about computer, and we are going to learn about computer in the next classes. So now you should know what is the meaning of computer. Computer is an electronic machine that can store, recall and process data. It can perform tasks or complex calculations according to a set of instructions or programs. It will take the input from the user and it will process that input, the data, and then finally you get the output. For example, in a simple preparation of the tea, we have some ingredients like water, tea powder, milk and sugar. All these are the inputs. These inputs are added and then we start boiling, and this boiling process is a processing stage where the tea is being prepared. So once the tea is prepared, you finally get the output, that is tea. So once input is given, then the processing takes place and finally you get the output as tea. Same thing happens in the computer. We give some data to the system through input devices like keyboard and mouse, and then the processing will take place in the CPU, that is central processing unit, and finally you get the output. The output will be displayed on the monitor or it can be in the hard copy that will be taken by the printer. So this is how the computer works.